It is the topic of JavaScript design pattern, singleton, factory, observer, and MCV. Mastering JavaScript design pattern, unleashing the power of singleton, factory, observer, and MCV. Introduction. It is the JavaScript design pattern. In this presentation, we will explore the power of singleton, factory, observer, and MCV pattern. These patterns are essentially for writing professional and robust JavaScript code. Let's go started. Design patterns are reusable solution to common programming problems. They provide a structured approach to writing code that is flexible, maintainable, and scalable. By mastering design pattern, you can evaluate your JavaScript skill to the next level. Singleton pattern. It is a singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provide a global point of access to it. It is usable. It is a useful when there should be exactly one object of a class in the system. We will explore its implementation and use cases. Factory pattern. It is a factory pattern provides us an interface for creating object but allows subclasses to decide which classes to instance and pronunciation, encapsulation and loss. Coupling between classes. We will discuss two benefits and how to implement in its JavaScript. The observer pattern define a one-to-many dependency between objects. When one object changes states, all its dependents are notified and update automatically. We will explore how to implement pattern and its application in JavaScript. MVC pattern. It is a MVC. It is a full form of model view controller. Pattern separates the presentation, data and logic of an application. It enhanced code, organization and maintainability. We will dive into the component of MVC and how to leverage it in JavaScript development. Benefits of design pattern. By applying design pattern, you can achieve code reusability, flexibility, scalability, and maintainability. They promote best practices and standardization in software development. Let's explore the benefits in more detail. Common design pattern in JavaScript libraries. It is libraries of frameworks such as React, Angular, and jQuery. Utilize design pattern extensively. We will examine some real-world examples and understand how these patterns are applied in practice. Design pattern in modern JavaScript. JavaScript has evolved significantly and modern features like ES6 classes and arrow functions have impact. We will explore how to adapt the traditional design pattern to the modern JavaScript ecosystem. While we pattern the discuss of pitfalls and provide guidance on avoiding them to ensure high quality code. And Best practices for applying design pattern. To efficiently apply design pattern, it is important to follow best practices. We will provide guidance and tips on when and how to use design pattern, ensuring they enhance to your code rather than adding unnecessary complexity. Real world complexity. Uh, let's explore real world example of application that leverage design pattern. We will analyze their design choice and discuss how design pattern contribute their success. And its conclusion. Conclusion. You have now mastered the essential JavaScript design pattern, singleton, factory, observer, and MVC. By applying this pattern, you can write professional, efficient, and scalable JavaScript code. Keep practices and exploring new pattern. Thanks.